Hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, in this video I'm going to install some clipping in my hair. So if you are interested in this video, stay tuned, like, share, comment. Alright guys?
Yes guys, so now I'm going
So let's get started.
Comb out the ear, just comb out the ear, and I'm going to part out the sections that I don't want the clipping that I want to leave out. You know, in case I have to catch it up. Yes. I have to catch it up. I can't have the ear in them at time I let go, you know. You have to catch up, sir. Don't. Alright, so alright, so I'm going to start putting the first clipping in there. Why you can't see how dollar sweat. Look how me I sweat. The time hot in a gear break. All the night time the time hot, you know. Alright, so I'm going to put in the first clipping now. Alright. I come by section. Some clipping have on 3 combs, some have on 2, some have on 4. So you know you have to find the right one for put on at the back. Right? And guys, this is 1 pack of clipping. Right? Sometimes people say need 2, but guys, I use 1. It's off Amazon. I order it off Amazon. Yes, and it's a 100% human hair. Alright, so that one don't me that put in too much clip upon that. So let's get one without so much clipping. Alright, section again. Okay, guys, yeah, I ordered it off Amazon. Wanted to try the clipping and things, so I just ordered it. And now I'm going to try it. It's 16-inch. Yeah. Cold dollar sweat. Look how I'm sweating. My God. And may I tell you, Michael chose to come in there and talk to me when I do my video. So I just have to talk to him and answer. I say, Michael, you really come now to talk to me when I do the video. I'm in there from morning, I do nothing. Look how me I sweat. No, me I feel just emphasize, but look how me I sweat. The time hot, guys. See there, you're so quick but done. Although I speed up the video, guys, but it finish quick. It never take a long time. Never take a long time, guys. It is very easy to do. And I feel I'm going to always I use the clipping. It just quick. Yes, guys, just trust the process. Yeah, because so I go on now. I see it there. We pull out the side, blend in the ear. Because so I go on because you know the first time I try this and I want it to come out good. So I could see if I have like a talent. I could see what I go on for me. Michael just chat me out. He might chat me out properly, you know. Yeah, part it out. Fill it in. Yes, the dollar fill it in, man. Trust the process, people, because it might not look like say. Yeah, but me I tell you say, just trust the process. Let me and you trust it. Boy. Alright, so now we are blending my ear with the clipping. Me I say, no man. Can't drop piece of ear right there, so. Yeah, man. So I just drop piece of ear right there, so. Yeah, drop piece of ear right there, so. Continue. Right. I mean, I tell the people, you see the middle part, it does stress me out. I don't know. Every time I part the part of the middle, I don't know. It just look clean. I mean, I say, no, what this? It's not the first time I part my middle part. So why I get so much trouble? It da feel the heat too, man. I get fed up. So now, guys, I see that I blend in, it a come. See? The process. And guys, I love when my ear look natural. I like when it look, you know. You can't tell, say, how far as I have in. So, the clip in here. I leave out the side, I leave out the front. The clip in, blend with my ear, guys. Talk truth. Talk truth, guys. See there? Look there. What clip in? What clip in? Eh? What clip in, people? Yeah. I like it. And it not done. And Michael did there chat me out. Proper chat out. I trouble me about my ear. Yeah. See him there? I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it.
Leave it in later.
So we just want
Aya!
See there?
Remember, guys, we are trust the process. We are trust the process. Guys, more want it look natural like a my ear. You understand? So I could say if the clipping, the people them create the clipping, if them do a good job. If them did that think about me, when them create the ear, when them make the ear, when if them did that think about me, come people. Alright, we're gonna flat iron it now and see what go on. Right this so. I mean, I tell you, say that flat iron is hot, you know. A be a steam come off of the iron, you know, people. May I tell you? Because it did your long time plug in. From the start, do the ear, you know, people, I plug in the iron, you know, so you know, say the iron well hot, you know. So I could say when me go on with no. Because the ear have to come out good because I not sit down and do this whole day. I sit down and take my time to do this and then it not come out good, you know. Me I fight with it until it come out to how I want it come out. But me not do much fighting now still. But people trust the process and I could say I go on. And this ear don't need much flat ironing. It never need much flat ironing. And it blend in so fast with my ear, I never have to do nothing much. You understand? So, Michael na stop chat me out. Him always have something to tell me and for me do and for me answer about. Why? See the people, trust the process. It come on. It coming on, people. I may tell you, Michael they right there so and the iron just itch up this and the iron card couldn't move. Watch bun, Jesus. Bun off my forehead. But we still continue. We now make one bun stop the hairstyle. Do it come with pain. All bun pain. Watch the people. Look how the ear blend in. Good have to stand up for this. I couldn't sit down no more. Because I said, look on the part. I tell you that part here give me trouble. It looks straight, then it look lean, and then I don't understand why it choose to give me a problem. Here the part, I just part me here, bam, and it go through. But maybe through a clip-in, and the first time the clip-in are going there, yeah. But look by ear. What clip-in? Look by ear. It a go on with itself. What clip-in? Look there. What clip-in? Talk truth. People talk truth. It blend in and it look nice. I like it. I like it, guys. This I go to. I am going to always do clipping. Yeah, instead of the sewing and bam. Yeah. I think I can manage this on my own. Just like that. Clipping. Look there. Look at here. It just blend in. Watch there. blend in, look natural. I love when it just look natural. I'm not put no edge on it. I'm not create no edge right now. I like the natural look. See it there? I'm going to lift it up and fun say, catch it up in a one. Yeah. Look at this now. Look at this. I have to slow it down for now. What clipping? Where is the clipping? You can't catch up the ear. What? What clipping? Yes, people, what clipping? I think this was a success. I think this is a success, people. It look good. Me like it. It look natural. It don't look like you're having a weave. Don't look like you're having a clipping. It come out. Right out. Alright, people. Thank you guys for joining. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It not cost you nothing for press the like button, and it not cost you nothing to press subscribe. Alright, guys. Look pan here. What clipping? You can't tell me say I haven't clipping. So why my face have a serious so? You know, so the part that me vex. The part did I give me trouble, but guys, I like this. What clipping? Look natural. And Michael in the back I say, yeah, it look good. Don't take it out back. Bye, guys.